So I have this pretty pot and I have this neglected palm, and I'm gonna put them together. I think they were always meant to be, but I just put it together that they need to go paired together. I'm gonna put some flowers as well. So let's get started with this project. I'm gonna start by cleaning this palm. It's been under some bushes that were flowering, and you need to clean them up because they have a lot of spider webs. Just be careful and use gloves with the palms because they are very sharp. They have really sharp leaves at the very end. I don't want to like plant the whole thing here, so I'm gonna clean this up too, and I'm gonna put some type of bottom to it. I'm gonna see if I can put this pot inside here, so I might have to prop it up a little bit. So I was taking off this this trunk that I have here because I need to move the pot. I saw that underneath there were some little worms, red wigglers. So guess what? I'm gonna put them in the pot over here so that they can do some good work in there. So here are the little red wigglers, but as you can see them, they're there. Hopefully they can do their work and better the soil, because I did see some stuff on the original soil and I didn't change it. I just stopped it off. Maybe I'll do it later on in the season, but for right now this is what I'm doing, putting those little guys there, and I'll finish cleaning up. And here is the pot as well. Sun's already out, it's really late right now, but I put some cuttings of these really bright, I don't remember the name of these guys. It's like a Coleus type of thing, but it's a lime green color. And then the geraniums, I cut off a geranium that I was pruning already, and I just know that it'll root. And these guys too, because these are very prominent, they're really good with rooting. And so are the, here I put some jades. These jades I put with some wandering juice and they changed color. Believe it or not, they did. They've been this color, this wonderful purplish color since then. I don't know how it changed the whole thing, but it did. So now the pot looks really tropical. I'm just gonna clean up here because it looks like a really bad mess, and hopefully show you the finished product. Alright guys, so here's the pot all finished up. I think it came out really colorful. What do you guys think? The geranium cuttings, I put 3 in the end, and then I did a bunch of the lime green coleus on the side right here so that they hopefully will bunch up a little bit and fill the space. And then the jade here, I hope that it grows and it kind of cascade on the sides. And I left the cycas here, or cycas, however you pronounce it, just with the mulch. I mulched everything. Be careful because these things are really sharp. And then I left kind of like a donut, is what I heard from another YouTube video. Left like a donut hole here so that you can let this breathe right there, because that's what they're supposed to have, some space. So from there I left the soil is just damp, that way the cuttings can heal and start rooting. Right here, let me just show you, these are so good at rooting, like the jades here. This one's already starting to do it, and it has a bunch of little nodes that are going to be good for getting those roots started. So I'm just having them have contact with the soil, nestle them there, and that'll be enough. These ones I just poked in there and they're good to go. And so just some mulch and that's it. I cleaned up the area. I think it's gonna be a good looking tropical pot for the summer, and I'm finally using it for some nice color here in the garden. So I hope that you guys liked this video, and if you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe if you like stuff like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Hope you like this. Bye bye.